Here we have a rectangle with a width of 4 and a length of 8, and attached to it is a semicircle. We need to find the perimeter of this compound shape. Let's start with the rectangle. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is just the perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus width. If I plug in my length and width, I get 2 times 8 plus 4, which is 2 times 12, and so therefore my perimeter would be 24. But I also need to remember that I'm missing the interior side, so I need to subtract that 4 back off, which gives me a total perimeter of 20 units. Now let's shift our attention over to the semicircle portion. The circumference, or the perimeter of a circle, is just circumference is equal to diameter times pi. And I know the diameter because it's that missing side that I removed from the rectangle. And so if the diameter is 4, then the circumference of a circle would be 4 pi. But this isn't the entire circle. This is only half of it, so I need to divide that by 2, so circumference is 2 pi units. Well, now that I've got the individual perimeters for both parts of the shape, all I need to do is add them together. So the perimeter of this total shape would just be 20 plus 2 pi units, or if I want to round my answer, perimeter is equal to approximately 26.283 units.